Good morning, guys. How are you doing today? I literally just woke up, so I thought, why not take you guys with me to wake up pet? Look who just woke up, everybody. And he doesn't really want to be held right now. See? Billy. It's Billy. Okay, I will put you down. Go on, Billy. He's hungry. So hungry. Hey, little guy. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, little Billy. Good morning, little guy. You hungry? You hungry? Well, we gotta wake up your brother first, okay? Let's wake up your brother. Yeah? Okay. We'll wake up your brother and I'll feed you too. Take your bowl. Come on. Come on. I have to keep... Sorry. Whew. I have to keep a chair on the couch or else Opie messes it up. Hey, Billy. Still getting used to this camera, so if you see me looking up a lot, it's because I'm looking at the little monitor. There's... Good morning, big guy. Good morning, baby. Hi. Good morning. Did you have a good sleep? Did you have a good sleep? Did you have a good sleep, Opie? Come on. You want to go outside? You want to go outside with Mommy? Yeah? Okay. And there's Billy in his room. There he is. Hi, baby. Hi, Billy. Hello. He's hungry. I'll feed him. Okay, give me a second, Opie. I'm just feeding your brother. I keep his food up here so that he does not eat it. He will try to climb my leg because he's hungry. Ouch, Billy. Please don't try to climb my leg. Okay. There you go, little guy. Right there. Eat your food. Eat your food. Good boy. And you, let's go downstairs. Want to go downstairs? Okay, go. Go, baby. Come on. Oh my gosh. My hair is a mess. Okay. Sorry, my hair, my house is a mess. I know it should be cleaner, but with everybody living here at this time and not going out, it can get pretty messy. Okay, Opie, wanna go outside? Outside for his walk. Yeah. Sorry for the loud noise outside. It's very loud. Check out my plants. They're all just still chilling. I have the grow lights on, so let me just turn them off so you can see them better. And 3 of them, so 3 grow lights. Yeah, everyone is just chilling. Oh my gosh, my cucumbers are like ready already. They want to climb so bad. See the little tendrils? And my eggplant's getting big. My tomato plants. This is my bitter melon. And everyone just wants to go on the ground. It's a little bit too cold at night here in Canada, so I can't bring them out. And my beans have gone crazy. Next year, I know not to start them off as seedlings. You can just direct sow them because they get pretty huge pretty fast. These are just some of the spring onions that I'm trying to regrow. Some squash. My celery that I'm trying to regrow. This is another bitter melon. There you go. Some more onions. Some squash. There. And then this here are some onions that are starting to sprout. So I'm thinking of planting those. It is May 5th today, so happy Cinco de Mayo, everybody. This camera's making me look very, very bright. It's a nice camera. I'm staring at Opie. He likes it out there. As he goes, oh, he's sniffing my plants. Okay, I'm gonna start breakfast. I'll catch you in a bit. Okay guys, I just made some ramen. It has some dumplings, spam, and some celery on it. I was pretty lazy today, so this is basically lazy man's lunch. Okay, bon appetit. That was so good. I'm full. Oh, he wants to eat my ramen. Woo! Okay, so this is basically what we do in the house. This one's sleeping. This one's always crying. Hey, Bill. Hi, Bill. Yes, Billy. Yes, Billy. You little tyke. And there's Opie, just chilling. Oh, he's so curious. He's curious of his reflection. It's so nice out, but right now it is just 20 past noon. It's outside. My plants are starting to grow. Oh man. What's everybody doing during their lockdown? Anything fun and interesting? I haven't really been wearing makeup, so. And these are all scratches from Billy before I cut his nails, so I have like scratches all over the place. But yeah, pretty much. We just well, I just finished breakfast, brunch, and I'm thinking of maybe going for a walk later on when Kyle wakes up. But he hasn't really been sleeping well, so I'm gonna let him sleep in. have a couple of bananas that are going ripe, so I think I'm gonna be making banana bread today. If I do, I will film it, and you guys can see how I make my super moist banana bread. I think everybody is basically making banana bread during this COVID-19 lockdown. I think it's because I don't like bananas when they're super sweet. There's like that in between where it's like green and then it starts to turn yellow. That's when I like bananas. But anything after that, I don't really like it. I suppose I can freeze it and put it into a smoothie, but I don't really drink smoothies that often. See you later. Hi guys. We are currently listening to classical music as we put this little one to sleep. Look at his cute little paws. So cute. They look like little jelly beans. Billy. Hi guys, so it is 2:45 and we basically spent the rest of the morning after breakfast cleaning and organizing. So now it's almost time for our late lunch, and let me tell you what we're going to be cooking. So these are basically already prepared. These were the Vietnamese spring rolls that I made and rolled a few weeks ago. So we're gonna fry some of that. We're gonna fry some of the empanadas that I made also a few weeks ago. We're gonna fry a couple of that, and then we're gonna try this out. This is pupusas, because Cinco de Mayo, we're going with a theme here. And this one is cheese, Lorocco and cheese pupusa. So we've never tried these before. We got them at Walmart, so we're gonna try them today. Yum. And then who knows, maybe for dinner we'll have some tacos. Stay tuned. Trying some pupusa. Oh no, this is empanada. Shallow oil because these came right from the freezer, so I don't want it to splatter, and I'm kind of afraid of that. So golden brown empanadas, yeah. Oh. That was good. Oh. Oh yeah. I gotta make more of this. It's so good. Aha! I wasn't even centered. I'm such a noob. Okay. So the empanadas are almost done. Then I'm gonna move on to the spring rolls. Nice and hot, so it doesn't take too long to cook these. Hey, do. Good. Oh, I wish you guys can smell this. It smells so good. That is super crispy. Goodness. Struggles. Okay, now try the Vietnamese spring rolls. Put this in. That's basically a splash protector so you don't get yourself like I did. Smells good though. Yum! Hey guys, so I'm also deep frying some breaded zucchini. Oh yeah. Zucchini. I was gonna do papusa, but the papusas are still very frozen, so I'll have to wait for them to defrost. But that is the breaded zucchini, the empanadas, and the Vietnamese spring rolls. That's what we're gonna have for lunch today. Everybody is awake. Opie's awake.
So much for Opie being smart enough not to
Kyle.
do this.
And there's baby Billy. His favorite hiding spot.
Oh yeah, you're gonna tire the crap out of him. Good boy.
Where's the laser pointer, Opie? Where'd it go? Where'd it go, Baba? And Mr. Bill. Hi, Billy. Are you afraid to venture out?
Good boy.
You little cutie. Yeah, you're a cutie too. Ah!
Opie will tire you, Opie.
We're about to eat lunch. Excuse the mess.
Yeah.
There they are.
Tire Opie before he gets to see what
And for dessert, got some donuts. So nice outside. We should go for a walk. So bright. The lighting's nice too. Well, I'm gonna go set up the table so we can eat lunch. We'll catch you later. Hi guys, I just woke up from my nap and we are starting to cook dinner, but before I show you what we're cooking, look.
Keep the wig. I don't need it anymore.
Fell asleep on the kitchen table. So oh, poor guy, hiding out from Opie. Anyway, check this out. We are making bulalo, which is basically a pork bone soup. Usually you can use beef or pork. I'm using pork. So we're boiling the pork bone till it's nice and soft. And then we're gonna add the carrots and potatoes. We also have bok choy here and some corn that we're gonna chop up. We're gonna eat this up with rice. Yum. And for dessert, we have decadent chocolate fudge brownie. Yum.
Yeah, review. So, I called.
We're also watching.
And I managed to get a hold of one Sister Bernadette.
Remember that old bag? She was my favorite.
Guess what she said?
What's up?
Apparently, you were modeled
Banana.
transferred of your home.
I brought 2 pies. One is from Crest, and one is also from Laviston. Hey, you know what might be fun? Girls could try them and tell us which one is better. How fun is that?
So good.
Yay! Yum, 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 yummy.
Got a second, Captain? I've got these overtime.
That looks so good. You just have to let it boil till everything gets nice and soft. It's done. Look at that. Ooh, it's good soup with some pork bone. Yeah. Potato, carrots, corn, and bok choy. Ready to be served. It's gonna be good with rice.
Hey, Jimmy Brogan.
That's dinner, guys.
Welcome to the Schwitz, kid. Was comfortable.
Okay guys, that's it for my vlog today. If you liked this video or if you like this vlog, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, please don't do anything. You guys have a wonderful day and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!